Hello friends, my name is Evelyn Joy and welcome back to my channel. This is a pretty easy recipe. Most of you already know how to make it. It is a pound of ground beef, a Dollar Tree can of garlic and herb pasta sauce, and half a container of spaghetti noodles. The other half's already used. Again, like when you just use part of your package of noodles, save the rest for next time, right? Conserve food. So, obviously this is going to need to be paired with a vegetable. Don't just eat like this without eating any vegetables with it. You need your nutrients and stuff. But this is just... Sweetheart. This is just a part of my series on how to make food affordably for a family. So let's go. We're going to brown the meat first. While I'm browning the meat, I'm also going to be boiling the noodles. Then I'm going to drain the noodles, add the meat to the noodles, and add the sauce in and just warm it a little bit more, and it's good to go. Again, serve this with some vegetables, please. Okay, I made this pepper stir fry and I decided to use the oil from the meat to make it. I think it'll be good. Let's try.